So this is how deep it is, trying to get to our door, or I should say the back door of the complex. Sorry, I'm trying to get my glove on. My hand's freezing. And this is how deep it is up to my legs. It's crazy. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna fall over and lose my phone in the snow. I can tell. And that's our windows. So we got drifting pretty high. It's just very cool. I love it all. See, this is what I mean. If it's gonna snow, it needs to do this. None of this like dusting crap that is just making it annoying. And we got a lot of wind on this side of the building, and you can see the snow just like reminds me of like the Olympics, where they have the snow coming off the roofs and everything. It's very cool. All right, let's see. Whoa. Almost fell that time. All right, no heart attacks. And that's our door. Hopefully now we can at least open it. Yeah, we don't have a key to get in, so we'll have to press a button. Maybe Karen and Paul are home.
Yeah, we should prop it open.
Well, too cold. All right, we got to figure out how to get home.